Justice is not a distant dream. It is a commitment we renew every day through knowledge, courage, and advocacy. A very warm and respectful welcome to everyone present. I am Deepak Sharma, Director of Nyayavani Foundation, and I am honored to inaugurate the Nyayavani National Virtual Moot Court Competition, organized by Nyayavani Foundation in collaboration with Ramakrishna Law Firm, powered by Falcon Reality, co-powered by Grivel Farms with our esteemed media partners, Entrepreneurs of India and Law Octopus. At Nyayavani Foundation, our guiding motto is empowering youth through law, service, and social responsibility. As a Section 8 registered non-profit organization, we work consistently to promote legal awareness, education, research-driven learning, mooting culture, advocacy skills, youth leadership, and social responsibility. What began just as a student led initiative has now evolved into a nationwide community bringing together students, faculty members, professionals, and volunteers from all walks of legal fraternity. This year's competition marked a milestone in our academic journey. We received an overwhelming response across India with 54 participating teams representing distinguished institutions and reputed law colleges and universities in India. To uphold the highest academic standards, our competition will be adjudicated by over 50 eminent judges, including senior faculty members, department heads, advocates and litigators, professors, and experienced mooters and trainers with years of judging experience. Their presence adds extraordinary value to this event and ensures that participants receive genuine, insightful, and rigorous feedback. The entire process has been supported by an extraordinary group of courtmasters, volunteers, coordinators, and supervisors from Nyayavani Foundation and our partner firm Ramakrishna Law Firm and Research Center, each of whom has contributed tirelessly to ensure smooth scheduling, digital coordination, documentation, and technical support. I would like to extend a heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed sponsors and collaborators, Ramakrishna Law Firm and Research Center, a distinguished legal institute whose continued support strengthens the academic and professional quality of this event. I would also like to extend a heartfelt gratitude to Falcon Reality, Grivel Farms, Law Octopus, and Entrepreneurs of India. We are deeply grateful to each of you for believing in this initiative and for contributing to the growth of legal education. To all our respective educators, thank you. Thank you for your time, expertise, and willingness to mentor the next generation of lawyers. Your presence enriches this competition and sets a high standard for academic discourse. To all our participants, your journey begins today. Mooting teaches not just argumentation, but discipline, teamwork, research, and the courage to stand by your conviction. Remember, every argument, every question from the bench, and every round is an opportunity for you all to grow. As we commence this competition, I encourage you all to embrace this experience with dignity, curiosity, and a genuine spirit of learning. May these proceedings challenge you, refine your abilities, and strengthen your passion for advocacy. On behalf of Nyayavani Foundation, I extend my warm welcome to all participants, judges, and all our team members. With immense joy and pride, I declare the Nyayavani National Virtual Moot Court Competition 2025 open. Best wishes to all teams and thank you.